People, should a parent get in trouble with law enforcement for telling their children to stand up to bullies? People, this kid was bullied in middle school for over 6 months before the parents found out about it, and the parents told the child to stand up to bullies. Every time this child would go to the bus stop in the morning time, it was this one particular student. He was older than this kid. He was bigger than this kid. He would always pick at his shoes, clothes. He would always push at him, talk in his face. It got so bad to the point where this bigger kid started slapping him, and everyone would laugh at him when he slapped him. Now, mind you, every time this kid would go to the bus stop, because they rode the same bus, that's where he would bully him very bad. He would push him, slap him, make fun of him, make everyone laugh at him. Sometimes he would even make this kid cry. Every time the bus would come, the kid would always tell the bus driver, and the bus driver would tell the kid to sit down. Also, keep in mind, these kids rode the same exact bus home. He would do the same thing when they get off the bus. So one day when this kid got off the bus that was being bullied, he went home and he told his parents exactly what was going on. The very next day, the parents walked their child to the bus stop. The kid that was bullying him act like he didn't even see him. They told the bus driver everything that was going on. The bus driver said she didn't see anything. The very next day, after the parents talked to the bus driver, they sent their child to the bus stop alone again. And guess what? The kid started to bully him again, slap him, push him, laugh at him, make fun of him, make everyone laugh at him. This time when the kid got to the school, he went to the principal office and he told the principal office exactly what was going on. The kid denied everything. They also had a very long talk with the other child, but again, he denied everything. He said the kid was lying. So that same day, the child went to the principal office. They rode the bus home again. And guess what? He bullied him very bad when the bus left. It was very bad. The kid was crying very bad. He went home crying to his parents again. When this child went home crying to his parents again, the father told him he needed to stand up to bullies. If he put his hands on him, he needed to knock him out. The very next day, after this child went home crying to his parents again, after they talked to the bus driver, he went to the bus stop the very next day. This kid was bullying him again. He told the bus driver. The bus driver said, sit down. So when the kids was released from school and they rode the bus home, this kid started picking on this child again when they got off the bus. When this bully pushed this kid when they got off the bus, he dropped his book bag and he dropped his books. He punched him in the nose and broke his nose. All the kids that was laughing at him had their mouth wide open. They was in shock. The older kid that was bullying this kid on daily basis started crying and fell on the ground, and he balled up crying very bad. Later on that evening, law enforcement and the parents of the bully came to this kid's house. They was very angry. They said, your child broke my child's nose. The parents of the child that was being bullied then told them, your child been bullying our child for months. They said he pushed him, he slapped him, he make fun of him on daily basis. We told him to stand up to bullies. Now people, I'm not sure if the child that was being bullied was suspended from school for breaking that child's nose, but the parents of the child that was bullying that kid is trying to sue the other parents. Now people, having said that, should these parents get in trouble with law enforcement for telling their child to stand up to a bully? And what you would have did in that situation if it seemed like the school wasn't doing anything to help and the bus driver wasn't doing anything to help?